Insulin is strepsil. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Angel Zuma took it to her Instagram to confirm that her journey with Umkhokha has come to an end. According to Zimonja, it has been reported that she was allegedly fired due to giving diva tendencies along with Msizi Njapa and Kwanele Mthethwa allegedly. However, she is currently in overseas. She got the Lion King gig.
It has been a very long journey from 2021. Abanye ngahlangana nabo 2021, abanye sisanda kuhlangana. In fact, Umfuneka was still a teenager when we met, and he's now a young adult. I'm joking. But guys, it has been lovely. I'm not gonna lie, working Jigosiam for any production is not an easy job. It's not easy on anyone. We can all agree on that. It's hard to play those corner, but having a crew like you guys, having a cast like you guys on set, it makes it a tad bit like easier. Go back, fun. It's so nice, but like it's the friends, it's the people there. So thank you so much for such an amazing journey. I'm not gonna miss you, of course, but I'm gonna miss you guys a lot. All of you on the toast now, the dog.